difference between economics versus economy? The one difference which you can give.
This one.
Hmm?
One second, ma'am. My charger is connecting. I guess economy is like I learned this in chapter one of economics. Yeah, economy is like it is a system where people get a living to fulfill their needs and all.
Okay. And
Uh,
for economics?
Economics, I don't remember exactly. What is economics? Uh, Wait, I also learned, it, but I forgot. It's like a long time ago, right? I learned for first time exam.
Okay, no issues. Okay. So now economics is basically a subject, right? And this is a framework. Okay. Now for
Yeah.
economy, for example, if you are in India, like it's like, for example, this is India. So it's a framework, right? Whatever activities you will be doing, like producing, consumption, investment, whatever economic activities you will be doing, right? That you will do within the framework, right? You cannot go outside and work here, and that will not consider under Indian economy, right? So economy is a
Yeah.
framework, right? In which, like inside which you basically do all the economic activities like production, consumption, all that, right? But economics
Yeah.
is a subject. It's a branch. In 10th grade, you have SSC, social science.
Yes.
In that you have branch like geography, polity, history, economics. Yes.
Yes.
So it's a
Yes.
branch of social science. Okay. So now
Yes.
economy is a framework within which economic activities of production, consumption, and capital formation are undertaken. Okay, so that is an economy. Economics is a branch of social science which studies human behavior. Okay, you got to know that this is a subject and this is a branch of social science. But if this is a subject, ma'am, what do we study here? Right? Ma'am, in this we studies about human behavior in relation to wants and scarce resources. Okay. So for example, over here, this is a piece of wood. Okay. From this piece of wood, you can produce chair, you can produce pen, you can produce bed. Okay. But it is only one piece of wood. From that, either you can, like
This.
among them, bed,
Yeah.
pencil, and chair, you can produce only one thing. Okay.
So it's scarce resource.
Yes. So over here, for example, you have an exam tomorrow. So what will you prefer? Of course, pen. Yes.
Yes.
But for example, you want to sleep. So you will prefer bed. Right. So over here, human behavior, how you behave in relationship, you want all of them. Right. But at the time, you have to make a decision that what I need at most. Right. So because where
Yes.
resources have alternative uses, one resource, it has alternative uses, but you have to make a choice according to your want and according to the want which is like which you need to satisfy right away only. Okay, so that is called economics. So economics in general, if I ask, it is a branch of social science. It is a subject which studies human behavior in relation to wants and scarce resources. So in economics, we study how basically human beings behave in relation to wants and the scarce resources, where resources have alternative uses. Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you will quickly write down these two terms and then we'll move to the next.
Okay, this one, ma'am. Ma'am, I just want to ask one thing.
Yes.
In the last class, like the sixth point, convenience sampling, right? After the positive and negative point, wait one second. Yeah, after the positive and negative point, we wrote like reliability of sampling data, right? And like method of sampling, size of sample.
Yes.
The last was training. The last point was of training of enumerators. So after that, there was nothing to be written, right? That's
There was one more paragraph. I asked you to complete it with a screenshot. Okay, do one thing. Just leave some space. After, well, like once I'm done with this, I'll give you 5 minutes to write that down. Okay? Clear? Ashraf, is it clear? I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
hello, ma'am.
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear. Actually, I got disconnected by mistake.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, I was asking. So in the last class, uh, we did the training of enumerators, right? In reliability of sampling data.
Hmm.
Yeah. So the training of enumerators, there's nothing to be written after that, right?
There was
That
one
was
more
the last.
paragraph.
What?
There was one more paragraph. So just leave the space. Once we are done with this, I'll give you 5 minutes to note that. Okay?
Okay. Okay. How? Can you tell me how much? Like half page, one page.
Yeah, half page is more than it.
Okay, then half. And then I'm starting from the next page. Okay, this thing.
Yeah, after the, like, just leave that entire page and then from next fresh page start this.
Okay. Can you tell the chapter name which we are doing, of macroeconomics,
This
chapter
one,
one or
Introduction
two?
to Macroeconomics.
Okay, okay. The first chapter of that.
Yes.
Okay, this is macro, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, can you slow down?
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay. Now coming to next one, economic problem. So in economics, tell me what is the problem here? Tell me what is the problem here?
And what is the problem where?
Here.
अच्छा, okay. हाँ जी, हाँ. Problem ये है. Like the problem here is, like, first of all, we have like, for example, there is one unit of like wood, right?
So
We only have
basically,
one unit.
you
What?
basically it's like you have to decide what to produce, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Like,
that is the
first of
basic
all,
problem.
we have one unit of a particular thing, and that unit have alternative uses.
Yes.
So we can't decide.
Yes. So economic problem, the problem of making a choice among different alternative available is called economic problem. Done?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yeah. Okay, this one's behind. Done now.
Okay. Now coming to the next one, central problem of an economy. The central problem is no matter whether you are living in India, like you are following Indian economy or Australian economy, Chinese economy, any economy, right? Everybody would have the same problem. So the problem which have been faced by all the economies are known as central problem of an economy. Clear? Yes. So the common problem which everybody, like every economy, no matter you are developed country or developing country, you will be facing it. What are those problems, ma'am? What to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce means this is a piece of wood. What you produce bed, you produce chair or pen. You have to make a choice. And then how to produce, like through machine or through labor or through mixture. How? And then for whom to produce. Clear? Done?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, my mic was on mute.
Okay, okay, no problem. So we'll quickly write this and one by one we'll discuss it.
Can you repeat again?
Okay, so central problem is basically the common problem which have been faced by all the economies. No matter whether you are in India, you are in Australia, anywhere. So the common problem which everybody face, all the economies face, that is known as central problem of an economy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 1
After I just know what to produce, how to produce.
Yes.
Like as subheadings or just like
Like
points?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, okay. Done, ma'am.
Now let's just understand what to produce. Okay. So, ma'am, what to produce?
That is
Okay. Before that, what to produce? It's like the central problem or economic problem are arising why? Like, what is the reason behind these problems? First of all, scarcity of resources. So, scarcity of resources means availability of resources is scarce in relation to its demand, right? That means 10 people are demanding this, but you have only two things to provide. So, automatically, that is called scarcity, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, tell me, for example, you have 100 apples, 100 chocolate, sorry, 100 apples. Okay. So, are they scarce or not?
What like 100 apples like
You have,
scarce in terms of what?
they are scarce or not?
No, like I can't say, right?
Yes.
Like
Until and unless
I
you don't
also
know the demand.
yeah, I also need to know the demand, right?
Yes. So scarcity of resources is the root cause of economic problem. However, a commodity in short supply cannot be called scarce if it has no demand. For example, you have 100 apples, but it has no demand. So you cannot say it is scarce, right? So for example, rotten apples, stale vegetable, they don't have any demand. So they cannot be scarce. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then second problem is wants are unlimited. So human wants are recurring in nature. For example, today you feel like that you want to eat chocolate. You're like, I want to eat chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. You got the chocolate. Now next day, tomorrow you'll feel like that now I want to eat pizza. So it's recurring. Right. Once, as soon as your want gets satisfied, another wants takes place. So this is based on human psychological behavior that as soon as one want is satisfied, new want would take place. But there is a difference. Some of the wants are basic, like food, water, shelter. They are basic. But some of them want grow with our income. For example, earlier we had a normal car, right? Because that was a need, right? But now I
Yes.
started earning, we had a luxury car, right? So that is basically
Like a
depends
Bugatti.
on that is basically like with income. I feel like I need more luxury things. I need more comfortable things, right? Then
Yes.
third is resources have alternative uses. So resources have alternative uses. Therefore, a choice has to be made that how can these limited resources be spent in order to attain the maximum satisfaction. So from that particular resource, you can do many things. But according to the thing that will give you the maximum satisfaction. If you have exam tomorrow, so you will choose pen over bed, right? Because that will give you maximum satisfaction. But if you are very tired, you want to sleep, you will choose bed over pen because that will give you the maximum satisfaction. And because of this, the resources we feel like they are more scarce in nature. Then next is
Mm.
want differ in intensity. So all wants are not of equal intensity. For example, some of the want are very intense. Like tomorrow is my exam, I need pen right now only. But for example, I want to eat chocolate. That is my want that even if I don't satisfy it immediately, that's fine. So some of our
Yes.
needs are more intense than other, which need to be satisfied immediately, while the less intended want can be postponed. Clear? So these are the four reasons because of which the central problem arises. First, scarcity of resources. Second, wants are unlimited. Third, resources have alternative uses. And fourth, wants differ in intensity. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you can write.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm just coming 1 minute, okay?